In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to NYU College. If you're planning to apply to New York University, the process is very manageable once you understand the main requirements. The best place to begin is the NYU Undergraduate Admissions How to Apply page, where you can review the official application instructions and make sure you're following the right path for your situation. The first thing you'll need to do is identify your applicant type and choose your campus. NYU allows students to apply as first-year applicants, transfer applicants, and other categories depending on their background. You'll also need to decide where you want to study, since NYU has campuses in New York, Abu Dhabi, and Shanghai. This is an important early choice because your application details may vary depending on the campus and program you select. Next, you'll submit the Common Application. If you don't already have a Common App account, go ahead and create one. Once you're in, add NYU to your college list and complete all of NYU's school-specific questions carefully. This includes selecting your intended school, academic program, and campus. Take your time here because these choices help shape the rest of your application. After that, you'll need to provide the required academic documents. One major requirement is your official high school transcript. In most cases, this is sent by your school counselor, so it's a good idea to contact them early and make sure they know you're applying. You'll also need to complete the self-reported academic record, often called the SRAR. This is where you enter your high school courses and grades into NYU's designated system. Be very accurate when filling this out and match your transcript as closely as possible. Then you'll move on to your supporting materials. NYU requires at least one letter of recommendation, and this can come from a teacher, counselor, or another appropriate authority figure. You can usually submit up to 3, but at least 1 is required. Choose someone who knows your academic strengths well and can speak clearly about your abilities. You should also review NYU's standardized testing policy. NYU uses a test-flexible approach, which means you may be able to submit SAT, ACT, IB, or AP scores, or choose not to submit them, depending on your plan and qualifications. Make sure you review the current policy before deciding. Finally, if you're applying to certain artistic programs, such as programs in Tisch or Steinhardt, you may also need to complete an audition or submit a portfolio. Be sure to check those program-specific requirements early so you have enough time to prepare everything properly. Once all of these pieces are complete, you'll be in a strong position to submit your NYU application with confidence.